Welcome to TechieLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change file type on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go ahead and go to your search and search for folder options. And from the best matches, you'll find File Explorer options. Just open this. And from here, just go to View. And from here, you'll find Hide extensions for known file types. Just uncheck this and click on Apply. Click on OK. Now, as you can see, I have a file right here. The extension of this is .txt. So it is basically a text file. Now, if I want to change this file type to .mp4, which is a video file format, what I need to do is just simply right click on this and then just click on rename. And then just change the file extension to .mp4 and hit enter. And you'll get this notification. If you change a file extension name, the file might become unusable. Just click on yes if you're sure you want to change the file type. And there you go, it has been changed. And basically that is how to change a file type on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.